Hey everyone, I have an amazing website to share with you on this video. It's called typingme.com and it is a free online typer tutor. Whether you are a beginner or looking to improve your typing skills, this website is perfect for you. In this video, you'll learn simple techniques to type faster and more accurately. It's a great resource for English learners, Turkish learners, and German learners who want to improve their typing abilities. By the end of this video, you will be well on your way to becoming a better typist. Don't miss out this fantastic opportunity. Make sure to watch the entire video for helpful tips and tricks. It's completely free to use. So let's dive in and improve our typing skills together with me, typingme.com. Open Google and type. First, you have to choose which languages you want to improve your typing. English, Turkish, and German. If you are Turkish learners, you can choose Turkish and you will read all information is Turkish. Come back German, all information in German. Come back English. Click to start and look here. This is pro and this is amateur. If you would like to start from the beginner, I advise you start from amateur. After finish these exercises, you can start pro version. I advise you to read introduction because you have to read it, but I can say you shortly. I advise you here, you have to finish all exercises in a 60 minutes. When you finish, for example, the first exercise is in a 60 minutes and without mistake, you can pass another. It is difficult for the first time when you start, but you can. They show us where you put your finger. Look, you have to put your finger here. This finger A, this finger S, this D, this F, this space. When you finish first lesson, they show you the right hand's fingers where you have to put. Look, it's very easy and very helpful. The third lesson you will start using both 10 fingers and became more difficult. When you click start exercise, the exercise is starts and the time has begun for you. Be careful and type. When the exercise is finished, it shows me how many mistakes I made here and in how many seconds I finished the exercise. It is a very easy platform to use. The important thing here is that trying to write without errors, not fast. This is very important. Speed comes later. I finished the first lesson of this exercise in 209 seconds and 39 errors. If you work regularly, you can use the 10-finger keyboard very easily and you will be a wanted person. It will be your plus to write I know 10-finger keyboard on your CV. I hope you like this video. I hope this video add value to you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button And if you wish, you can comment below. See you in the next video.